Hello everyone and welcome to Sara's Hungry History. This is the channel where I tell you the history of the most popular, favorite foods, and I will also be covering drinks, and their history as well. So if you're hungry for some knowledge, then I got you covered. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the history of hamburgers, one of the most popular foods in the world today. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a fast food staple, the hamburger has come a long way over the years. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating history of this beloved food. The hamburger is one of the world's most popular foods, with nearly 50 billion served up annually in the United States alone. Although the humble beef patty on a bun is technically not much more than 100 years old, it's part of a far greater lineage, linking American businessmen, World War II soldiers, German political refugees, medieval traders, and Neolithic farmers. The origins of the hamburger can be traced back to the city of Hamburg, Germany, in the early 19th century. At the time, Hamburg was a bustling port city, and sailors from all over the world would stop there to rest and refuel. One popular food item in the city was a dish called a steak tartare, which was made from raw minced beef. When German immigrants began to move to the United States in the mid-19th century, they brought this dish with them. It wasn't until the 20th century, however, that the hamburger as we know it today began to take shape. In the 1900s, the first fast food hamburger stand was opened in New Haven, Connecticut, by a man named Louis Lasson. The hamburger, which was made from ground beef, was a hit with customers, and soon other fast food chains began to pop up all over the country. In the 1920s, two brothers named Richard and Maurice McDonald opened up a hot dog stand in California. They soon realized that hamburgers were more popular than hot dogs, so they rebranded their business as a hamburger stand. The McDonald's brothers were pioneers in the fast food industry, and they developed a system of food preparation that allowed them to serve hamburgers quickly and efficiently. In the 1950s, a businessman named Ray Kroc visited the McDonald's brothers restaurant and was impressed by their system. Kroc convinced the brothers to let him franchise their business, and soon McDonald's restaurants were popping up all over the country. Today, McDonald's is the largest fast food chain in the world, and the hamburger is its most popular item. Over the years, the hamburger has evolved to include a wide variety of toppings and variations. In the United States, the cheeseburger is a popular variation that includes a slice of cheese on top of the patty. Other toppings commonly used in the United States include lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and ketchup. In other parts of the world, different toppings are used. In Japan, for example, it's common to top a hamburger with a fried egg and teriyaki sauce. In recent years, the popularity of vegetarian and vegan diets has led to the development of plant-based burgers. These burgers are made from ingredients such as soy, wheat, and pea protein, and are designed to mimic the taste and texture of traditional hamburgers. Plant-based burgers have become so popular that many fast food chains now offer them as an alternative to meat-based burgers. As the world becomes more health-conscious, the fast food industry is under pressure to offer healthier menu options. In response to this pressure, many fast food chains have started to offer salads, grilled chicken sandwiches, and other healthier items. However, the hamburger remains a popular menu item, and many chains are now offering gourmet burgers made from high-quality ingredients, such as grass-fed beef and artisanal cheese. Another trend in the fast food industry is the use of technology to make the ordering process more efficient. Some chains now offer mobile ordering and payment, allowing customers to place their orders from their smartphones and pick them up without having to wait in line. Other chains are experimenting with self-service kiosks and automated ordering systems. Despite these changes, the hamburger remains a beloved food item around the world. Whether you prefer a classic cheeseburger or a plant-based patty, there's no denying the appeal of this iconic food. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the history of hamburgers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more food history and culture videos. I love exploring the stories behind our favorite foods, and we hope you'll join me on this journey. So there you have it, the history of hamburgers. From its origins in Germany to its current status as a global fast food staple, the hamburger has a fascinating story to tell. I hope you've enjoyed learning about its evolution over the years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.